Witajcie kochani, tu Fitness Anytime and Anywhere by Marzena. Today I'm gonna take about 15 minutes of your precious time to show you some new pull exercise ideas. All of those great moves are taken from my recent workout, Aqua Titan 3, that I hope you will try eventually. These are advanced moves. Now, if you're just a beginner, you can definitely try them on, but maybe skip using equipment for now. Eventually, I hope you will try something more by investing into set of Aqua Dumbbells and resistance ankle cuffs. By the way, all my best and newest videos are available at on-demand Aqua Workout platform. Link on the screen and in the description of the video. All right, my friends, let's get going. Titan 3 Aqua moves. I will start today introducing the equipment use. I'm going to use sporty Aqua Dumbbells and sporty resistance ankle cuffs. This is my affiliate store and links, and this is where I hope you're going to purchase your new Aqua gear. Okay, our first exercise, alternate front kicks with jump over. I'll have you jogging first, knees up, my friends. Hold those dumbbells in a horizontal position. Push them down as you kick one leg forward, then jump over and switch leg. You're going to see most of the moves in a slow motion first. And then we're going to speed things up to keep this video short. Notice I'm kicking somewhere at my hip level, but you can start at your knee level first. Then move up to hip level when you're ready. Hamstring curls with rows. Now your dumbbells are in a horizontal position under the surface. Go ahead, pull those dumbbells in towards yourself as you are bending your knee and curling your heel back. Core engage, my friends. Super, super important. Make sure you breathe through it. Pull and push. I need you to feel your chest and back muscles really screaming for mercy. Knee tuck jumps out and in with dumbbells and cuffs. Move both knees up and then slide your feet in on the bottom of the pool. Yeah. Wearing Aqua shoes would be very useful. I don't wear them often unless I'm outside. Today I'm in an indoor pool, so it's pretty convenient for me. With this exercise, definitely incorporate dumbbells. Look, I'm dragging my arms out and then I'm pushing them a bit deeper down. Good stuff, my friends, for inner thighs, out thighs, glutes, and core. Aqua sprints. Let's start with no equipment. You need to get your legs moving really, really fast before you consider adding any arm moves. I'm going to introduce today circular arm moves out and in. But again, you have to make sure your legs are moving fast, and then see if adding your arm moves is slowing you down. If it is, stop it. I need you to focus on your legs, especially if you are bringing ankle cuffs to this routine. Yeah, we're burning a lot of calories with these moves. Okay, now we have right leg front and back lift. It's actually front lift and leg extension back. Notice I'm going all the way up and a little bit back. Be very careful not to kick your leg back too much. You need to make sure it's a safe move for your lumbar spine. Yeah, you can definitely mix it with some sprints before you switch leg. Anytime you see one-sided exercise on one leg on one side, make sure you count how many reps you did or how long you've been doing it on one side and repeat the same on the opposite side. Talking about body imbalances or actually balances, right? Okay, now we have stump. So instead of jogging, we will be pushing our feet down to the bottom hard. Push hard. Use your core strength. Do not skip or jump. Once you get that going, it's actually exciting to add a little bit of movement forward, backwards, maybe sideways, and even incorporating your arm moves. But it's the same rule that we had with sprints. If your arms are slowing you down, stop it, okay? We specifically want to work those legs in the first place. All right. Do you mind if we switch to the next exercise? Okay, we're gonna grab dumbbells again, and this time we're gonna drag them behind our back. So arms dragged behind. This is quite challenging, my friends. You may start on a water level somewhere near your waist and then go a bit deeper, or you can start with smaller dumbbells up first. You're not supposed to have water level higher than your shoulders, because then your body will start floating, and this exercise, it's almost impossible to be done correctly, okay? Well done. Okay, let's put all the equipment away. We have get out the jumps. Now, this is not going to be great for everyone, but if you guys want to strengthen your arms and chest, you can place your palms on the side of the pool and pretend you want to jump out of the pool. Don't go too fast. Yeah, it's a speed motion now, so you see me going quite fast. But actually, when you slow down, you take even more out of this exercise. You can try to do one leg up for, let's say, 20 reps, and then switch leg and do 20 more on the other side. Again, slow tempo will benefit you more here. I like to mix this exercise with some other stuff. So there's no way I could do 100. I like to do like 20, 30, something else, and then I'm coming back for it. That's exactly what we do it, how we do it with Titan 3 routine. Floating staircase. I'm going to begin with just dumbbells and no resistance ankle cuffs, but I will show you this exercise is possible with resistance ankle cuffs as well. Just when you incorporate these, this is very, very advanced, and it's not possible for everybody, okay? I myself struggle with this version, okay? It is very challenging for me. Probably I would say I feel I'm doing better without ankle cuffs, but I decided to show you both versions because they're fun. Moving on, of course, knee tuck jumps. And this time you keep your feet hip width apart. You submerge dumbbells down, and at the same second, you move your feet up. Now, pay attention to how your feet work here. Your goal is to make sure both of your feet touch the bottom of the pool at the same moment. Sometimes it's going to be possible, sometimes not, but you know what to focus on, okay? Seated float. Okay, well, this is a fun position. Pretend you are sitting on an invisible chair. And now, once you get that balance, once you get that going, open and close your legs. If you're a beginner, you may lay down on your back, but eventually, this is how you want to do it, right? It looks like I'm sitting, and that's exactly how you should look too. Okay, moving on, my friends, we have wall burpees. This is cool. I'm going to show you two versions, and I'm using cuffs, but you don't have to. Place your hands on the side of the pool. Push your feet to the wall, down to the bottom, and then behind. Just like with back kicks, you don't want to kick your legs back too high, just a little bit above the bottom. This is version with touching down, and this one is without. Way more advanced and probably better for core. And this is again the same one with touch down. This is beginners friendly. Okay, vertical wall run. Ooh, love this one. Both feet up, up, down, down. On a wall, down, down. Obviously, you want to pay attention which leg you start with. Let's say you're going to do 20 with the left leg, and then you're going to switch, and you're going to do the same with the right. Notice I'm not holding the wall here. You cannot really do it right when you hold the wall. Instead, you're going to push your hands back every time you push your feet to the wall. This is going to keep your body at the same close distance from the wall. Very intensive and super cool exercise. Love this one. Great warm-up move as well. Okay, now you are holding the wall again. You tuck your knees first and then you kick both feet away from the wall. Also try to keep them hip width apart and exhale every time you kick. Good stuff. One-sided exercise. So what do we do next? We obviously repeat the same number of reps to the other side. There you go. Awesome, awesome. By the way, don't forget to like this video. Okay, once more, jumps out and in. Okay, I don't know why this exercise popped one more time, but here we are with both calves and dumbbells. Really, really great move, guys. I like to turn around when I do it. Sometimes I move forward, backwards. As you know, I get bored doing the same stuff for too long, so I am adding variations. Couple more. And let's bring it back to jogging. Front kick, right, jump over, left kick, left. Very dynamic exercise. Now, these dumbbells that I'm using today, they are medium, but you know what? They're pretty big. The next color that you will see if you visit my affiliate store is blue. And guys, these blue ones they crazy. They are for like Arnold Schwarzenegger's and his family. So I can handle those, but they are quite challenging. Let me warn you. So I love them for floating exercises. For kicks, I'll be honest, I struggle a little bit, but I still love it. Okay, couple more kicks. This time left side, front and back. Now we have split jumps, and this one is perfect. This set is perfect for split jumps. Open your legs all the way out. Keep your legs slightly bent and drag those dumbbells below your hips. Make sure you breathe out and also make sure that you are maintaining your body in that standing vertical position, okay? Don't flip to your back or don't lean forward. The higher you jump out here, the better. The more you can open your legs, the better it is for your glutes and inner thighs. Okay, now let's put dumbbells away. We have leg circles, front and back or in and out. This one you can try first with no calves and holding the wall. Eventually, put those tiny ones and see what a difference it is. You will not believe how easy it actually is to do aqua without calves until you try them. You get addicted to those. Now notice my leg is either straight or slightly bent, and both of those options are totally correct. Use your free hands to make this movement faster and more challenging. Moving on, my friends, keep C. I'm sure you've seen this one. It looks a little bit like swing kicks, but you actually are keeping your legs straight and toes pointed from the moment you move your leg forward. So this is much smaller, a little more dynamic, and look how I'm incorporating my arms. They kind of do exactly what my legs were doing. Couple more. Like you see, I'm mixing those moves with something else, and that's what Titan 3 is about. Just mixing moves, quick transitions. We can burn up to 800 calories in that workout. Can you believe it? Hamstring curls. All right, let's take care of the back of our thighs. Now you can alternate legs, right? One heel, touch one heel, then the other one behind you, and then eventually you do both legs one at a time and both arms back like this. Straight touch those hands behind your back. And of course, just like with other moves, you can choose to move forward, backward, around, even sideways. Guys, I hope you enjoyed those new ideas. Now take a moment and see what Titan 3 is about. You're gonna love it. Thanks for watching. Bye now. Woo! Welcome to Titan 3, the ultimate aqua challenge. Get ready to dive into one of the most incredible water workouts I've ever created. Titan 3 is here to push your limits, sculpt your body, and leave you feeling like an absolute aqua warrior. This routine is for all levels, so don't worry if you are just starting out. You set the pace. For beginners, you can simply slow things down or start with small dumbbells. For my seasoned pros out there, grab those resistance ankle calves and water dumbbells because it's time to bring your A game. This epic session will take 90 minutes, and let me tell you, it's worth every minute. But here's the deal. Make sure you've had a good 8 hours of sleep and maybe a strong espresso or your favorite pre-workout boost because you're gonna need the energy. The reward? Up to 800 calories burned and a feeling of accomplishment that will have you smiling all day. Mark your calendars. Titan 3 drops on December 25th, 2024, kicking off my brand new 2025 series. Expect a fresh, exciting workout every month in a new year to keep you motivated and moving. And here's the best part. Titan 3, along with all 3 Aqua Titan workouts, is only available on-demand Aqua workout platform. Join today for just $14.99 per month or save big with the $119 annual membership. Trust me, this is exactly what you need this Christmas. Let Santa know too. Link on the screen. Let's make some serious waves together. Who's ready?